Hey guys, it's Blake Holbrooks with MarineMax on Lake Wylie. Today we're out on the water checking out a 2025 Yamaha AR195. So you can see we're starting way back here on the swim platform. We got a nice trademark look from Yamaha here. So this swim platform is made to be wide and open. You got the seat backs for comfort of hanging out back here. You got a couple of cup holders, got some different attachments that they'll let you put in on the bottom there. Just this is supposed to be a really nice spot to hang out while you're out on the boat, anchored out maybe at the sandbar or something somewhere. Since we're back here, I'll show you really how easy it is just to climb on board. Just give it a nice step over like that using your non-skid step there. You're able to get in, and you can see we're getting plenty of shade from our bimini top up here on top of our sport tower. That's one unique feature to the AR series here. We're also highlighting the table that this boat does come with. So you've got a mount and the pole. It's a nice fiberglass table with 2 cup holders. You can put that right there in the main cockpit. It's awesome for entertaining, you know, if you're hanging out, maybe having a picnic, mixing up some drinks or something like that. Inside the cockpit here, you do have plenty of storage in your compartment. So you got one on the port side there under that main lounger, and then you got more storage underneath your seat on the starboard side there. You guys can come on and take a step in. We'll show you that this full-length bench is another unique aspect of the AR. So that is the layout that is significant to this model, and you do have that nice lock and glove box there in the seat back. We'll take a look at the helm real quick. You can see I took a seat in the swivel captain's chair. You got the ability to adjust this, turn it all the way around, and you got that adjustable bolster here. Up here, you've got your Yamaha Connect screen. So in there is where you'll find your engine management and your chart plotter for when you're out on the water. And as we make our way up towards the bow, you can see we got a couple more spots where you have storage on board here. So you got some spots in there as well as under the helm here with a hideaway trash can. And then your in-floor storage right here. We got a nice big ski locker. All right. Now we'll take a moment just to highlight the bow, just to show you that you do have enough space up here, even though it's just a 19-footer. You know, I'm 6'3". I'm able to stretch out like this and be comfortable. Got your seat backs and handrails, as well as 2 of your Polk speakers up here. So plenty of room to hang out and relax. Could be the perfect boat for you. If you guys have any questions about this one, you just give us a call at 803-831-2101. You can ask for me, Blake Holbrooks.